Okay, we're going to do a question on drawing a box plot and a cumulative frequency curve. So to draw a box plot, we need to mark in the minimum value, and I'm just going to do a quick mark here, 480, which is there, the lower quartile, which is 500, the median, which is 540, the upper quartile, which is 620, and the maximum value, which is 720. Now, to draw a box plot, what we do is draw a box around the lower and the upper quartiles. I'm just going to draw that box. And then the median is drawn in its position, and then you draw the box out to the maximum value, just drawn here whiskers, why it's sometimes called a box and whisker plot, and again out to the minimum value. So that's a nice box and whisker plot, and as you can see, it's positively skewed, which means there are more low values than high values. Now the interquartile range, that's the next bit of the question, is got from doing Q3, take away Q1. Q3 is the upper quartile, which is 620. Take away Q1, which is the lower quartile, 500. And that gives us 120 grams. Now, the next bit of the question says, how many bags weigh less than 480 grams? Now, how many bags weigh less than 480? If we go back to the table, it says the minimum value is 480, so there can't be any bags that weigh less than that. And the answer to that is 0. And then it says how many bags weigh less than 500. And the lower quartile is 500. And quartile should make you think of a quarter. That means the first 25%. So up to here is 25% of the data. And 25% of the 80 bags, 25% of 80, well, a quarter of 80 is 20. So 20 bags must weigh less than 500 grams. Now the next bit of the question says, draw a cumulative frequency curve to show the information. A cumulative frequency curve can just be drawn from the minimum, lower quartile, median, upper quartile and maximum values. The minimum values is what it starts with on the x-axis, which is 480, which is around there. Now, the first 20, that's 25%, will be the lower quartile, and the lower quartile is 500. So 500 will be the first 20, so that's the first 25%. The median is the middle, that will be the 50% value, which will be 40 things, and the median is 540. So 540 will be around there. And then the upper quartile, well, that will be 60 along the y-axis, that will be 3/4 away, and that is 620. The maximum value is then 720. Around there. And that's just drawn with a smooth curve. And that's how you draw a cumulative frequency curve.